Yeah, so people have been asking me, like, is the boat real or not? So today I want to do a live trade and I'll do a withdrawal for you all to see. So just join me on my phone screen and let's start everything from scratch. I'm Crypto Lord. Join me and let's do it. Yeah, so welcome to my phone screen. Yeah, so I think I've been doing this video and be withdrawing as well, and people know that the boat really works, both the manual and the automatic really works, but it seems people still doubting, and I want to do a withdrawal live for us all to see. Yeah, so you can see that I have 4,150. I normally let my regular wallet reach higher height so that I'll withdraw it, because when you're withdrawing it, they charge you $1 fee. If you're withdrawing 10, still $1 fee, 10,000, still $1 fee. So why don't I wait for it to reach higher so that I'll withdraw it? But just this video, let me withdraw 150. You let me trade again and withdraw the rest of the money. So let's do it. Yeah, so if you open your AI bots, this is how it is. I'm on a premium account. You can be on a gold or silver. Yeah, so when I open it, this is how it is. So this is the trade, right? So I'll come here to enter the arbitrage amount I want to use to trade, 11,360. Then I will select all, and after that I will click on execute arbitrage trade. One thing is, the bot trades for you and you'll be making your profit, and at the end you will pay the bots for 8 weeks. So the thing is, people still don't understand these things. People are asking, how will the boats survive, how will the boats blah 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 and stuff. Yeah, the boat works for you. Yeah, and every profit that you'll be making is your own. But at the moment you want to withdraw or you want to close your account, that's when the boats take 8%. So right now, I've not closed my account, so I'm still in, and I've made 10,154 profit, right? Yeah, so if I want to close my account, that means I will withdraw every money from my arbitrage wallet here. So if I withdraw everything from here, the bot will take 8% from this amount of money, not the profit. That's why I always say that wait and make more money from it. The bot is not going anywhere. The bot is there to stay. So just wait, relax, and trade. Let the bot work for you. Yeah, so if you're on the gold, and one thing is that the profit is not fixed. It depends on the market. So the profit can go up, can come down, can go higher, can come lower and stuff. But one thing is, the bot is making sure that you make profit. So you can see that I've executed trade right now, and the bot is doing preheating, warming up, and connection and fetching live prices. So after that, when I'm done with this trade, I'll withdraw it for you all to see live over here. Yeah, so if I close it and go to my Binance wallet, you can see that I have 5,065, right? Yeah, so like, let's wait and see. Yeah, and one thing is that if you need the boat, it's $40, and I will show you how to use it to make money. I will teach you the tricks inside. But if you go and find the boat somewhere and you don't pay me for me to teach you and do your own thing, that's your own style. But when you chat me and buy it from me, I will show you the do's and don'ts and everything about the boat. Yeah, so you can see that right now it's doing the arbitraging. So the boat is buying ship. These are the USD, the coins. This is where it's buying and where it's selling, and the spread. So the bot will do all the works for you, all the dirty works for you. But if you don't like it and want to do it manually, the bot also give you signals. Buy it from you, go and sell it for here, then you do it manually. But if you want the bot to work for you, the bot can also work for you, and that's it. So I do manual trade and the auto trade. Yeah, so let's wait and see the outcome, and after that I'll withdraw my money for you to see. Yeah, I'll withdraw some of the money. Yeah, because like, I want the money to be in it, so that when I'm doing the videos, you'll see that I'm making profit. So I will not withdraw all. No, I will withdraw small for it to see. And the boat is not going anywhere. The boat, let me tell you one thing. If the boat is not making money from you, that's a red flag. This one, the boat is making money from you, and you're also making the money from the boat. So that means the boat is working for you and you're paying the boat. win-win. You see that thing? Yeah. As you are making money from the boat also making money from you. Yeah. So the boat works for you, and you pay the boat. That's how it is. Just simple like that, and you still make profit from it. Yeah. So you can see that I've already made 10,000 plus profit. Yeah. So let's wait and see. So it's doing the arbitraging, right, and it's to show you the coins is buying and where it's selling, and the spread as well. So if you know much about crypto arbitrage, you know that we basically deal with spreads. The higher the spread, the higher the profits. So if the bot is trading and you see that the spread is not way high, that means your outcome will be small unless you're on a premium. So this is my expected profit after the trade. I'm earning plus 113.6 as my expected profits. So you can see that right now I have 4,150. So when it's done, it will add up, and after that I'll withdraw that money on the 4,000 so that you all see it. Okay, boom. So to add up everything, so I have 4,264, and I can withdraw all this amount of money. But because I'm also a mentor to people, and people also want to know that you're really trading, like they want to see the outcome and stuff. So I'll withdraw 264 for you to see. Yeah, before I'll do my other trade. So let me go to my, when I'm withdrawing to, it's free. So watch why people don't know, like they think that when you're withdrawing money they will charge you 60%. No, it's free. They only charge you 60% when you want to close your account. So see, I'm withdrawing from regular to what? Withdrawal. 264, right? 264 transfer. They didn't charge me anything. So it will add up here. You can see here. So it will add up here. So it will add. Hey, I add up to where? I didn't mistake. I didn't select. Oh, dang. I didn't select. But no yawa. So no yawa. So let me do it. Let me do it again. So instead of, you see, when I didn't select this thing. So it was regular wallet to arbitrage wallet. So the money has been added up to the arbitrage wallet. So right now you can see that I have 11,624, right? But no yawa, it's still my money. So no yawa. So let me click on it again. Regular wallet to withdraw wallet. So let me withdraw 200. Let me withdraw 200, transfer 200, 200. So you can see that I have withdrawal wallet what 312, right? 312, because I was having 100 over here, so 312. So then I'll go down to what? My withdrawal. So here the withdrawal, they charge you fee of what? $1. That's the fee that they will charge you. So 312, right? 312. Then I'll close it, go to my Binance wallet, add fund, deposit as assets, USDT, BEP20 address. Then I'll copy it, come here and paste my BEP20 over here. Then I'll request withdrawal. Insufficient balance. So okay, 3. Let me do it 3. Okay, yeah. Let me do it 310. Okay. So withdrawal request submitted. So you can see that within like short time, like within 5 to 10 minutes, I'll receive my money in my wallet. So you can see that when I go to my withdrawal here, my withdrawal here is now 1.65, right? Yeah, and this is my Binance. Yeah, I have 5,064, right? Yeah, so now I've received the message that they have approved my withdrawal. So let's check and see. Yeah, so if I go to my messages here, you can see that your withdrawal requested 310.00 has been approved. Yeah. Oh, I've been approved. Yeah, so let me go to my withdrawal history. You can see that's what my withdrawal is, what is 3110 is approved July 30th, right? July 30th. You can see that is what? July 30th. Yeah. So let me go to my Binance wallet and see whether it's true that I've received the money. So let me go to my Binance here. So you can see that I've actually received the money, right? So let me go to my assets and go to my USDT and go to my history. You can see that I've received 3110. Have you seen it? I've received a 3110. Yeah. So this is how you make money with the Crypto Arbitrage AI bots. It's just very simple. So if you need it, it's just $40 and I'll set it up for you and show you how to use it. So I'm Crypto Lord and I'm out.